Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile is always on your face. You feel good about yourself, and because you are happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you pay only once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 19, Nasdaq up 12, S&P's flat, gold contract flat at $1,327 an ounce, silver up 5 cents at $19.70 an ounce. Now, metal market tomorrow, dollar tomorrow, folks, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's when the Fed's going to come out with their statement. They started a 2-day meeting today. Statement tomorrow, 2 o'clock. That's going to rock the metals and the dollar. And bonds, actually. Platinum up $8, trading at $1,093. You got copper flat at $2.22 a pound. Light sweet crude off 31 cents, $42.81 a barrel. The oil market, folks, has been going down. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. Looks like oil's going to try to get into that $41.58 level. Bonds, the 10-year note up 1 tick, 132.03. 30-year bond up 4 ticks, 171.22. Now both the 10 and the 30 today failed on price, failed on volume. What that specifically means is this, folks. We've been going down in the 10-year notes and the bonds for about a week and a half now. It tried to get higher, couldn't handle higher price, failed to hold price, had lighter volume. What does that mean? That means that it sets up that it wants to go back to the 24th of June, and that gives you about a 131 on the 10-year and a 165 on the 30. King dollar down 176 ticks, 97.15. Now, King dollar continues to reject lower price with lighter volume. King dollar looks like it wants to run up to the 99 price point. We'll see whether they get 100. It's going to be pretty wild watching this Fed statement tomorrow because the statement on the rates structure is going to move these dollars. And it looks to me like the Fed is going to come out and say that they plan once again on moving the short-term rates in December. You know, I don't think they're going to move them. Something else will happen, but I think that they're going to put it in the statement. Rock the markets a bit. Euro's trading at $1.09, and the yen is at 104. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We're hanging at the highs. You have light volume, but guess what? The SPY is a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Price point, 218.90. That's 2 more points from where we are right now. Somehow, some way, I suspect we're going to get up and get into it. Now, the NDX, that's going to be a little bit harder to justify, but guess what? The NDX, as well as the NASDAQ Composite, also have confirmed ABC structures on the way up. The Qs are at $113.78. That structure says it wants to go to 121. We'll see whether it flies or not. The composite is trading... The composite's trading at a price point of 5,110. That is saying it wants to run to the 5,469. So it's quite a number. That's the bottom line on the way up. We will have Apple coming out with numbers at 4:30 this afternoon, which is a big deal, no doubt. A couple that just come out. Akamai just come out. Akamai closed at $58. It's trading at 53. Panera Bread got smoked all day long out here. That thing was down $9 intraday, and now it just took all that back after the close. That had closed at 207. It's trading at 216. So all it actually did do was get what it lost out here today. Illumina, ILMN. Illumina closed. ILMN, yes. So Illumina closed at 150. That's trading at 158. Yeah, And that don't touch that thing. That thing was one big dog. Let's go over to the gold contract. We take a look at gold. This is what we have with gold. We're rolling from the August contract to the December contract. So gold today goes up 30 cents. You do 192,000 contracts. Gold looks to me that, this thing wants to get back into 1280. We'll see how that shakes out. And what I do expect we're going to see is a monster movement out here tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Silver contract, same setup. Silver, the difference with silver is this. Silver can actually get down to like $18. That's bizarre, man, because it took a long time for silver to get out of here, but guess what? That's what it looks like it's happening. And the culprit, let's go to the culprit. So the culprit is that good old King Dollar. King Dollar right now, came off its lows. The King Dollar was trading on the 23rd of June. It was down at $93. 24th, it goes topside to 96.70. That was Brexit. Pull back a little, but since Brexit, King Dollar wants higher price. And once it got over the swing point of $96.70, it's been hanging there. They've tried to bust it down more than a few times, like 8 or 9 times. It refuses to lower price. So someone's buying the dollar. The way this seems to be set up is that it wants to go into the downdraft that was out there from the 3rd of February. And that number is 98.91. You put this in a continuous contract, it's like, you get close to the $98, $99 level. There's no reason that when you look at the consolidation that we're actually been in, there's no reason that it can't get up into that whole, $100 level. We've been in the same consolidation now since February of 2015. And the highs of that consolidation are the $100 mark. The last time we get up there, we get to 99.75. That was in February of this year. So big numbers. APC, let's see. This is Anadarko Petroleum. That closed at $54.74. That is trading at $54.75, so there's not real big action there. The big action inside the NDX today, folks, was ADI is buying Linear Technology, LLTC. This happened intraday, which is very unusual, but bottom line, Linear Tech went from $48 to $64. Then they halted that stock. They halted ADI also. ADI Analog Devices are buying them for about $60. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed down 19. NASDAQ was up 12. S&P's up $1.50. We're going to be right back.